Gemini Castello Bunk Bed. This Gemini Castello bunk bed is the first item up, and it's ideal for a child's room, especially if you have 2 or more children. This design of retractable bunk bed saves space without compromising on comfort. The upper bunk has a ladder that attaches to it for simple access, and safety guards fold out as well. Bedtime is simple when the pillows and linen are kept in a nearby cabinet. The fact that the beds are set up and ready means that the little ones will quickly understand when it is time to go to bed. Likewise, when the beds are stored, they will know when it is time to play or study and will have more room to do so. Additionally, they won't develop undesirable habits like sleeping in all day as a result. The ladder only needs to be detached, the pillows and sheets stored, the guards folded down, and the beds easily pushed back into their upright positions in the morning. Hexa Multifunctional Coffee Table. The multi-purpose Hexa coffee table comes next. 4 panels can be expanded outward thanks to this straightforward design. Basically, increasing the quantity of surface area will allow you to host more guests or simply have a larger room for work, eating, or recreation. In terms of operation, the table is impregnable. The top level may actually be totally removed and turned over for a change of look every now and then, and the panels slide in and out of their central housing with ease. Shelf table, convertible bookshelf to table. Here's a brilliant piece of furniture that can be quickly moved between purposes without the need to transfer any objects at all. This bookcase converts to a sizable table. When it is switched back to its bookshelf position, the table locks into place. The smooth motion is really astounding, and it creates a fantastic room divider. The table can accommodate at least 4 chairs, and it also doubles as a bookshelf with space for a large number of books, mugs, candles, plants, and other trinkets that you might have in your living room. Additionally, the bookshelf can be quickly wheeled out of the way when not in use to avoid getting in the way. Ludovico space-saving chair and desk. This clever, compact chair and desk combo is made by the same firm, Ludovico. The chair is located inside the filing cabinet, and the desk unfolds from the side of the cabinet. That's actually pretty clever. Drawers and shelves offer ample storage, so you can take out your laptop and other necessary items and start working right away. This is a fantastic solution if you don't have a separate room for a study and can't fit a standard desk in your bedroom because it takes up very little space when not in use. You can even keep it at the foot of the steps because of this. Bed as table. The following multi-purpose piece of furniture is a clever way to make the most of limited floor space in a studio apartment or vacation home. Many of us are guilty of using our beds as tables, but this table bed allows you to turn your bed into a real table and vice versa. You may flip between the two using its unique patented mechanism in as little as 10 seconds. If you enjoy entertaining people who unexpectedly decide to stay over and throwing parties, it's a terrific idea. Just make sure that any crumbs that are still on the table after supper are cleaned up so they don't fall into the mattress. These days, studio apartments can be quite tiny. This one, for instance, is only 18 square meters. This bed, which you must admit is quite impressive, is stored in the ceiling and falls upon pressing a button in order to free up space. When you want to sleep, the straps that lower the bed retract into the ceiling, so you won't have to worry about accidentally pressing a button or being startled out of your sleep. Studio bed. The next illustration takes the levitating bed's basic idea and amplifies it. That's because a bathroom is hidden beneath the bed. Its Italian creators referred to it as a dream come true. The tub is revealed underneath the bed as it vanishes into the ceiling. The system is governed by an inventive sensor system that can also be engaged via smartphone or tablet and is controlled remotely. How do you feel? Is having everything in one space a dream come true? Or are you worried that it can become a little crowded and disorganized? The Smart Bed HiCan. Consider the Smart Bed from HiCan if you enjoy the notion of having everything in one location, advertised as a daring modern cocoon that transforms the bedtime routine. It is a technologically advanced design sculpture where you can live in the utmost comfort. You can control ambient lighting, reading lighting, side curtains, motorized bed bases, scents, and the high-definition audio-visual system, all from a single smartphone app. It all comes down to creating the ideal atmosphere for rest, meditation, book reading, and private movie experiences. Manuela Foldaway Bed. Another Italian style that appears perfect for a study or a guest room is presented here. The Manuela Foldaway Bed can appear a little lackluster in comparison to high-tech devices, but good aesthetics and functionality never go out of style. This bed that transforms into a sleek bookcase should only be used as a bed in limited spaces where efficiency is essential. Produced with the greatest quality possible, utilizing long-lasting, attractive materials, this collapsible furniture may transform a modest space into a genuinely distinctive area. Motorized Container Bed. The same Italian company that made the previous one is the manufacturer of this motorized container bed. As a result, it is constructed from equally high-quality components, giving it durability and firmness. With this one though, the bed can be moved into convenient positions with the press of a button. The bed's head and foot portions can be raised for maximum comfort. Additionally, the whole system may be pulled out of its container to reveal the ergonomic mechanism below. Bunk Bed with Magic Unit. With this next design, the Bunk Bed with Magic Unit by Adaly Kids in Turkey, there is a lot to consider. As you can see, there are storage containers in the shape of a cabinet and closets that are useful for keeping clothes and linen. A long desk that can be dragged out and locked into position is located underneath. You can pull up a chair and start working on your most recent task because this instantly creates a workstation. As we all know, jobs can be exhausting after a time, and you'll need to get some rest. No issue. Simply return the desk to its initial position and draw out the bed that is tucked underneath. In a matter of seconds, go from work to a comfy bed. Well, what about your pillows and blankets though? They can, however, be kept behind the mattress, which can be pulled out to reveal additional storage beneath the bed. What a powerful unit, in fact. iNyx Bed. Now take a look at the iNyx bed, which some claim to be the most technologically advanced bed ever. It is equipped with blinds that you can open or close with a button to provide seclusion and the best sleeping conditions, making it more like a self-contained bedroom. To enjoy movies in high definition with surround sound from the built-in speakers, a cinema screen that combines with a projector drops from the roof of the bed. Naturally, everything is automated, so switching between watching a movie and falling asleep doesn't need any more effort on your part. Mood lighting creates a tranquil environment so you may unwind fully. The room has additional illumination under the bed, and there is even a lighting mode that simulates the night sky. A built-in scent dispenser keeps everything smelling good on top of that. Smart Furniture by Multimo. Last but not least, check out the selection of intelligently designed furniture from Multimo that shows how to maximize a limited living space. You'll be astonished at how much furniture is concealed among these seemingly regular containers, including desks, drawers, and other storage areas, as well as Murphy beds with shelving units. There are numerous examples of how a Murphy bed may function as a sofa and storage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.